Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
So what we do out in the desert when we get nice days like this, very bright, sunny, mid-70s temps, a little bit of a breeze, not a huge hurricane wind, we do chores, things that need to be fixed or adjusted, like our water heater. We've needed a pressure relief valve for some time now. The other one didn't just weep or drip, it had a stream coming out of it, so it was way past time to replace it. So we got a brand new one, got that replaced the other day. Next item of business for our water heater is I need a new burner. So I'm going to replace that burner, but not today, because it still works. However, what we do plan on doing today, we'll go to the other side of the RV where the furnace is. This little baby right here is giving us some problems. And of course I forgot what I wanted to show you. I'll go inside and get it. So what I forgot inside is a brand new motor, a blower motor for the furnace, because it is squealing like a little bitty baby or a pig, whichever you prefer, when we start it up. So the bearings are going out in the motor, and it's had some use. So I went out and bought a brand new motor while we're here in Yuma. Hopefully it's the right motor. There are two that fit our particular furnace, and I guessed, because the numbers are the same on both of them, but evidently the shaft is just a little bit different on each one of them. So we'll cross our fingers and hopefully we got the right one. If not, we make a trip back, swap it out, bring the other one back, put it in, we're good to go. You talk, just do whatever you want to say.
Tom and Dave have been working on the furnace, trying to get out the old motor.
But it was rusted in there.
It's awful.
Look at all the rust. The shaft was rusted solid. We probably used a half a can of WD-40 getting it out.
Yeah, it's a mess.
What a...
And I'll bet you it's partly thanks to that, which is the water overflow for the freshwater tank.
And just because this is outside and you think it's going to drip and just not go in there, it doesn't. It goes down into there, because we had an issue with this 4 years ago.
Yeah.
When we had the water leak up here, that was leaking straight down onto the furnace, but still it was coming outside.
But you and Myron had pulled that all out and cleaned it all up, so that's not water that's from that water leak.
Yeah, this is new. This is new, but it's not.
New, but not. Yeah. Thank you, Dave. Good grief.
I was just trying to have a cup of coffee, and then all of a sudden,
hey, you asked.
all of this happened.
You asked. You said, hey, when does Tom want to do that furnace?
I'm not an RV tech, but I play one on TV.
Yes, same here. Good job, guys. Well, now you got to get the new one in.
There we go.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thanks.
It'll be nice when we can turn the gas back on, so we can have our refrigerators on.
Our fingers.
Yeah. We'll have you fixed up here quickly.
Maybe.
Because y'all need
Maybe.
lunch.
Hopefully.
Maybe.
Maybe. It looks
right.
the same.
Here's instructions. Should I leave them in the box?
Oh yeah, no, yeah, that's what they're for, is to line the bottom of the box.
Oh, please be the right thing. Sure does look like it.
Well, we have Houston.
A little longer shafts is fine.
This is a round shaft. This is not.
It should be a D shaft.
This is a round shaft.
It's a D.
Oh, there it
is.
is.
A D. Yeah.
D shaft,
I was gonna say I already looked at that.
I didn't look at it that close.
Yeah.
Yep. Nope,
D
you
for
got it.
dumb.
Okay. Well, we're sitting here at Big O Tires. The cracked wheel we are getting fixed. well, we're not fixing the wheel. We bought a new wheel, getting rid of that one, but we're at Big O Tires having them take the good tire off of the cracked wheel, put it on the new wheel. So at first they said it'd be probably a couple hours, and then they said, nope, we can take you right now. So Bear and I are sitting out here. Tom's walking around. It's a nice but breezy day. There's the Walmart that we usually go to. It's on 32nd Street. We tried to go to a local shop, but they wanted cash only. So it was like, okay, never mind. So we found a Big O and we came in here. As soon as we're done with this, we need lunch. And then we need to go to Walmart and get a couple things. Milk and bread. Where'd he go?
Right behind us. There he is, right here.
Is he flying?
No, he's right here.
Oh yeah, another tree.
He says, bring that fat dog back
Oh.
down here.
There he is. I wanted to get him flying. I missed it. I got his wings all out, but... Hey, mister. Yep. Oh well.
You're dead.
You be dead. He's huge and his claws are huge. Oh my God. Tom's trying to get him to fly. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Tom's cawing like he's a crow. Hey, bird brain, he says. Oh my God.
He won't fly.
Nope.
He's hanging. Chilling.
He's like, bird brain, go look in the mirror.
Yeah.
That meant
So we are going to spend the night in Gila Bend, Arizona, on a parking lot. And what are you doing on the floor?
I'm looking for something.
We have two of the slides out. We left the living room slide in. So we basically got a hallway here. What are you doing?
I was looking for something.
What in the hell is that?
I came across a Christmas present that I forgot about.
We have a Christmas present we haven't opened?
Right.
Who is it from?
It's from us.
What do you mean from? Who's it to?
To us.
What?
It's to us from us. Okay, it's to us from me.
It's March the 10th. And you're still finding Christmas presents. Okay, open it up. I want to know what it is. Here we go again with more boxes of candy. And you wonder why I'm crazy.
Forgot about this one. Figure after supper we need a dessert.
Well, where's your box?
Oh.
We don't have a whole box? That just says it's a sampler.
Yeah, it's just a sampler. Just get a sampling.
Oh my gosh. Oh, stop it. Hurry up. Oh boy.
Now look, and it's got your
Old chocolate.
little guide. Well, if you don't want any, I'll eat them.
Look at the dog. What do you think?
Whoa,
What do you
they're
think?
smelling them.
What do you think, Bear?
What's that? We'll get your cookies.
Well, Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm gonna good morning you.
So it's 5:30 in the morning,
Dark.
and we got woke up by the smoke alarm. It's the furnace. We just replaced the new motor. It's dark. Tom and
Turn the big light on.
Tom and Dave did the new furnace in the new motor in the furnace. I'm not awake yet. Anyway, its fire alarm started. It was smelling yucky in here.
She smelled it. I did not smell anything.
Yeah, it's smelling better already. I already went outside to go and check it.
Yeah, this is our furnace because we're in Tucson now.
There it goes
There
again.
it goes again.
Yeah, there's no smoke. There
So
might-
anyway, she opens the door because it's been raining all night to go outside.
And the first thing I see is snow on the steps.
Oh my God.
And it's snowing.
Does this mean I get flannel sheets?
I guess on your half of the bed.
You what?
On your half of the bed. Here, hold this. I have to close the door.
Oh my God. Such is the way of full-time RV living. It's always an adventure.
Yep, it's snowing.
Did you start the coffee?
I did.
Good.
Yep. Yep, we're awake, so. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tucson, Arizona. It is March 13th, 2021. And we are at a Boondockers Welcome, and it's snowing.
Oh my gosh. Quit smiling. Smiling is not allowed today. Why? This is out our bedroom window.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
It's
Christmas.
March 13th.
I got your Merry Christmas. I got your jingle bells right
Oh,
here.
Dave just saw my text. Oh my gosh, no.
Dave from our endeavor.
I sent him a video I took earlier this morning that was like just before 6 o'clock.
Yes, we are in Tucson, Arizona. Yes, that is snow. And it's still coming down.
We're at a Boondockers Welcome, and there's another family here in an RV, and they're from Florida, and they have 2 little boys. They're gonna be so excited when they see snow.
This is so crazy.
It's beautiful.
What? Oh.
Woohoo! Winter Wonderland in Tucson, Arizona. Oh my gosh. It is March 13th, 2021. It's, what time? Let's go. It's about 6:30 in the morning. And we have snow. And it's still coming down, and you can't see it. It rained a lot last night, and then started doing this probably, what, maybe 2 hours ago?
Yeah,
That
4:15.
This was very unexpected. We didn't see any of this in the forecast.
I told you before we went to bed. I said, it's going to snow tonight.
Up on the mountains, you said.
I said it's going to snow tonight. It snowed.
Yep.
Not happy.
You get your flannel sheets.
Still not happy.
Oh, okay. I need to close up this window blind and try and keep the heat in. No solar for us today.
All right, here we go. Quick little update. So this is how much snow we have. There's probably a good inch to an inch and a half of snow. And this is flat here on the back of the truck. Look at this. Bear's just having a day. She's having a time. I just talked to our Boondockers Welcome hosts. And they're like, oh my gosh, it snowed one other time in early January here, but hardly anything compared to this. This is just crazy. And it's supposed to end like by 9:15, a couple hours from now. But still supposed to be rather cool for Tucson. Only about 50 today for a high. So, whew, like the snow, eh? This is so crazy. Look, get a load of this. And I know people in the Midwest are like, that's not snow. Yeah, we know that. I'm a St. Louis boy. I know what snow is. But to be in Tucson, Arizona, come on now. You got to admit, this is pretty wild. Come on, Bear. Hey, Bear. What do you think? See, here we are at a Boondockers Welcome location in Tucson, and that's all we're going to disclose. But this is what it's like. I mean, we're out here by ourselves, basically, with our hosts. They do have one other guest staying with us, but they're not next to us. Very nice. So you saw the snow the other day in Tucson. We've moved on. We're in Wilcox, Arizona. Yeah, it's snowing. It's March 16th in Wilcox, Arizona. It's just flurries, but it's snowing. Did I mention we're in Wilcox, Arizona? This is crazy. We're at our Boondocker Welcome location. Sun's out and it's snowing. Did I mention we're in Wilcox, Arizona? How crazy is this? Okay, I'm going in and sitting next to the furnace. Then he's got another one sitting there,
Okay,
but
so we're
two empties.
in the parking lot where we're staying, and you see that puddle right there by his truck. So this dude just opens his door. So they got out a little bit ago. There's a mom and a couple other kids. He's got one of the kids here, and he opens his door, stands there, kind of looks around, then he whips out his you-know-what and peed on the ground right there. Just peed. And now he's in the truck drinking beer.
With a kid in the back
With a
seat.
kid in the back seat. He was, when they got here, he was cussing up a storm at the kids. Now he's gonna smoke.
What an idiot.
Wow, nice neighbors. Get what you pay for. We just had dinner, now we're having a show. Yep. We didn't video him peeing, but Tom's like, get the camera. I'm like, no. We can just tell about it. So we got another RVer over there. You can see through the blinds. I don't want to open the blinds, but anyway, interesting. We'll have to see how the rest of the evening goes. So they're pulling a trailer, and they didn't even pull up straight next to us. They're all wonky. You can see them out the back. So the truckers are gonna love them. Hopefully they're not staying. Got trucks over here.
I can't believe he just peed right there.
He just peed. Yep, just kind of did a little look
I
back
didn't
and
even
forth.
notice it. I'm just doing something, and Lori goes, he just whipped it out, and he's taking a whiz.
Oh, lot docking is so much fun.
Life is short.